In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print front and back on Google Docs. This seemingly simple task can sometimes be a bit confusing if you're not sure where to start. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to print double-sided documents with ease. First, let's open Google Docs and, of course, the document that you want to print front and back. Once you have your document open, take a moment to review it and make any necessary last-minute edits. It's always a good idea to check everything over before printing to save paper and time. Now, with your document ready, the next step is to access the print settings. To do this, click on the File menu in the top left corner of your screen. From there, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select Print. Alternatively, you can simply hit Ctrl+P on your keyboard, which is a handy shortcut to keep in mind. This action will open the Print dialog box. It's in this box that you'll determine your print settings, so let's navigate to the section labeled More Settings. Once there, look for the checkboxes or options that say two-sided or double-sided printing. Depending on your printer, this option may appear slightly differently, but the idea is the same. You're telling the printer to print on both sides of the paper. If the two-sided option isn't showing, don't fret just yet. Check to see if there's an advanced button that you can click. Sometimes, the double-sided print setting can be hiding in the advanced settings area. It's important to make sure this is selected. Otherwise, your printer will assume you want to print single-sided. After ensuring everything is set properly to print on both sides, it's time to make a quick pit stop on checking your page layout. Make sure your orientation and paper size are as intended, usually portrait or landscape, depending on your document type and needs. Finally, with everything in order, you're ready to hit Print. The printer will do its magic, and if all settings are correct, it will print front and back as you wanted. Remember, while waiting, it's a good opportunity to ensure there's enough blank paper in your printer and that your ink levels are sufficient. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the steps to print front and back on Google Docs. I hope you found this guide helpful, and now you can approach double-sided printing with confidence. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.